Hello, coaches. Welcome to this month's Done For You bundle. I am super excited to share with you this bundle. This is going to be great for your clients who worry about what other people think. And we know that there are a lot of us that feel that way because we think other people are going to like say, oh, our work is trash. What we do is trash. Look at what she's doing. Yada, 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 yada. Y'all know the saying. And it stops us and our clients from getting the results they want. So this is the reason why I created this packet. So you can help your clients get over the hump of worrying so that they can discover how to stop worrying about what people think and start living their life the way they want to. All right. So let's take a deep dive on what it is included in this Done For You packet for this month. All right. So let me give y'all a full screen there. Okay. Again, this is this month's Done For You bundle on stop worrying, discovering how to stop worrying about what other people think and start living your life. So as usual, you guys know that I like to take, went too far, to take a deep dive on this particular topic because I want to let you know that this is a topic that people want to know about. You know, one of the things that I like to talk to my clients about is saying that you want to do the research. If you're going to talk about any subject or offer a coaching program on it or offer classes on it, you want to do the research. Well, guess what? I've already done the research for you. So I went into Google and I looked for the term worrying about what others think. And because I have this special keyword SEO plugin, it lets me know of other terms and topics that people are looking for. So as you can see, you see that there are topics on worrying about what others think, worrying about what others think quote. So if you have a quote collection, if you have a affirmation journal that you want to put together, this will be great. Worrying about what other people think, the psychology of it, stop worrying about what other people think, etc., etc. So you can change the name of this Done For You bundle to the one of these titles that people are actually searching for on Google, right? I also do a search inside of YouTube to see popular YouTube videos because you guys know that YouTube is the second largest search engine out there after Google. So this is one of the videos that I found online right now. As you can see, and is stop worrying about being judged, which is around the same topic. This video right now has over 5,000 likes. It also has a lot of likes on Facebook, which have 434 likes. You also have another video by Gary Vaynerchuk. He has 867 likes on this particular video and 52 likes on Facebook. So again, YouTube and Facebook is different, but I want to give you a glimpse on how it works in YouTube as well as how it works in Facebook, because I know a lot of your clients and some of you guys really still use Facebook. And if it works on Facebook, it's going to work on Instagram as well. Also, you're going to see books. Amazon is the fourth largest search engine for topics. So again, I do the search inside of YouTube to let you know about books around the same topic. And you've got this book on the UnFK Yourself, which is very popular by Gary John Bishop, which talks about how to get out of your head, stop worrying about what other people think, and get on with your life. You also have the popular book by Dale Carnegie on how to stop worrying and start living your life. This was the basics of the Done For You packet I put together. I actually have this book. Absolutely loved it. It helped me. So I wanted to put this packet together for you guys so that you can start teaching and sharing and really helping your clients get the same type of results as well, because it's one of the biggest hangups, right, that keeps us from achieving our greatness, as I like to call it. All right. So here are some marketing, monthly marketing themes that you might want to look at and try to what's the word I'm looking for? Coordinate your content around. So you're going to see that May the 5th is Cinco de Mayo. May the 9th is Mother's Day. May the 11th is Eat What You Want To Day. May the 16th is Love a Tree Day. May the 20th is Be a Millionaire Day. I love that. I think this topic would really resonate with that, about how to get out of your own way, about worrying about what other people and become the millionaire that you were born to be. You also have National Wine Day. That means chill, girl, relax. Let's talk about how to not to worry about other people. And then you have May the 31st, which is Memorial Day. All right. So that is marketing things. Here is a glimpse inside of the Done For You Masterclass Training. You're going to get 46 slides with notes on this exact topic on how to stop worrying about things, about what people are thinking, and start living a life, right? You also have the worksheets to follow along with. So this is like a journal worksheet. This is a short 4-page worksheet to help them work through why they are worrying about a certain topic. You also have the sales copy that is included. So if you plan to use this as a way to, as passive income, maybe you record it, upload it into a store like Sales, Gumroad, etc., like that, then this is the sales copy that you will use in the course description to let people know what they're getting, what they're going to expect, and what they're going to learn. I've written all of that out for you. It turns out to be 3 pages in a Word document, and it's a total of 550 words. You can use this sales copy again inside of your store. You can also use this on your social media platforms as well. You can condense it down, etc. But this is great copy to help you sell what you are offering. Okay, so here's the lead magnet, the freebie. If you want to give it away as a freebie, you can. If not, you can also package it up as a paid product. But this is a 28-page journal, and this is a journal that helps people work through their self-love. One of the things that people struggle with the most about worrying about what other people are thinking is that they don't know how to just love on themselves and not worry about what other people are thinking. Because a lot of times people think they need to get what it is, satisfaction or accommodation or thank yous from other people, when really you have all the blessings that you need inside of you. This journal is going to help people walk them through this. Okay, this journal is all inside of Canva. You can change the color schemes, the branding, the image that I use. You can change everything in here to make it your own. You can then package it up into a PDF, and you can actually sell this journal online. Right? Great way to bring in passive income. And it's a great freebie as well if you want to give it away. Another thing that you can do, you could take each page of this journal and use it as social media posts, right? Give them some questions that maybe that they can answer, and ask them to sort of, give you a little bit of feedback of what they're thinking about this topic. So you can actually use that to just take out pieces. You can use it as a worksheet. You can use 1 or 2 pages out of this booklet as a freebie as well. You don't have to use all 28 pages. It's all up to you. But again, I like to give you options on how to use this Done For You content. All right. Then you have the graphics, and you have the 4 content articles. Now, I know I talk about this a lot, but I talk about this a lot because these content articles are going to be powerful for helping you to position yourself as an expert. So I write these 4 articles for you so that you can use them as a blog post if you are blogging. If you want to use them as long social media posts on your social media platforms, you can do that. You can also use it as video content. I love to use the articles as an outline to help me do my videos. So literally, you could take each one of these articles and have a pillar piece of content. I talked about this, that you should have one piece of pillar content, outstanding, epic piece of content that you produce every week. And then all the other content inside of the bundle becomes supporting content. If you want to attract your ideal clients, you must start to use content to position yourself. That's one of the reasons why y'all joined the club, so that you can have this. So the articles are there for you to use. You also have the graphics as well to support the articles as you go along. And as you know, I create the 4-week content planner, right? Which gives you the article topics that are from the articles right here, right? Gives you the topics. It gives you how else you could repurpose the articles and the graphics. I also give you fill in the blank captions. One of the things that we struggle with the most as well is what to write in our post. I create one for you for each week, so you at least have a really strong piece of content going out there. You got your epic content, you got your video content, you have your graphics, you now have captions that you can use, and have you can use your own picture, you can use the graphic and use the caption along with it. It's just so many different options. I just want you guys to have a plan when you sit down to start to market your coaching business. And I try to make it as easy as possible so that you can have the framework that you need to be successful in this business. Because I know we all have hectic schedules. I do. And so this is the way that I make it easy for you. All right. So that is this month's Done For You bundle on how to stop worrying, discovering how to stop worrying about what other people think and start living your life. This is going to be a fantastic coaching program or a masterclass that you can sell on your website to offer people to get out of their own way. We are sometimes our biggest enemy, and is what is stopping us from being successful. So I am giving you the content that you can use to help your clients get out their own way. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this package, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.